The road to Likiza became more than a practice drive. It became a meditation on trust, trusting the lane I was given, trusting the space I could manage, trusting that those behind me had their own responsibility to choose their speed. Isn't that what maturity looks like? Not rushing ahead to prove ourselves, not constantly making way out of fear of inconvenience, but driving steady, driving faithfully. Maybe your lane today feels narrow, maybe it feels quiet, maybe it feels too slow compared to others racing ahead, but your lane